Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' It! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. We have another one of our holiday projects that we did at Christmas in August. And this one is, demonstrators were able to purchase this early. We had an event in June, but it's in the new mini catalog. And I just want to show this. Hold on one second, let me find the original suite right here, page 32 on the mini catalog, called Peaceful Garden Suite. And it comes with a stamp set. We have an embossing folder. We have designer paper. We have specialty glimmer paper. You know me, I must have all the glimmer paper. We have some beautiful ribbon, some little star embellishments, and then dies and a stamp set, of course. This is, even though it has some holiday, it also has, it's more of a floral, and then we have the dove, and so it can be used for a lot of different occasions. We're going to do a Christmas card with this today. This is the stamp set, so I'm going to do Peace on Earth, and then I think I have, what's my sentiment? Oh, I'm just going to do maybe Peace, Love, and Joy. I need to grab a longer block for that one. Make sure that's still in there. Peace, love, and joy. Let's just throw that on now. Okay, and you know what? I think I'm going to do, we're not going to do that because our label's too small. I took a Merry Christmas, and this is from, what is it from? It's from another set. Oh, it's from the Holly Jolly set. I did Merry Christmas. I just stacked them on top of each other. But you can do, you know, you do what you have. All right, and then here are dies. There's more dies. I've been using them on different projects, but we're going to be using one of the doves and then the little label here. I also used the perennial postage dies. I use this, not the biggest one, but the next biggest one, to do a little bit of die cutting. Okay, let's pull out our supplies. So I love that this paper has all the blues in it. I'm going to use Night of Navy for, no, this is not Night of Navy. It is Secret Sea. I'm going to use Secret Sea for my base. And then I have white for the inside. On my white for the outside, they're the same size. I just cut my dove and my little label out of the middle because that's going to be covered. We're not even going to see that. I have a piece of Misty Moonlight, a couple pieces of the designer paper. Here's some of that beautiful glimmer paper. And it kind of brings that brighter blue in. And then a little bit of the ribbon. I also have the little flowers, which, let me grab those. We're actually using these flowers in class this month. We're doing another card using this suite. And I'm using the flowers, so I'd already packed, but I thought I'd go ahead and do this so I could finish packing all my supplies in my basket for class. Okay, so let's do a little bit of stamping. We're going to stamp a small Merry Christmas right here on our label. And then we're going to do this big Peace on Earth on the center, on the inside. That's all the stamping we're going to do. Just a little bit. All right, let's stamp this on, or adhere this to the inside. Okay, I have been designing this week, so it doesn't feel like I've talked to many people, and I'm just a little out of sorts. Whoops. A little out of sorts. I haven't talked to anybody yet today. So you guys are the first. Okay. I'm going to adhere that down. Then we're going to put our I'm going to wait. I'm going to put this on here first. No, I've already put adhesive. Let's just put it down. Let's just put it down or it's going to be sticking everywhere. Okay. Now when I cut these doves, my goal was to get full doves going down, so like a strip, because they go all the way across. Then I have some, another piece. This is the, more of the floral. I think I'm going to do that. Pulls those same blues in. And then I have a little strip of the glimmer paper. And I am going to just do a little bead of liquid glue right down there. Let's see if I can get that picked up without making a mess. And I've cut this to go the same height. And just, I'll post measurements on my blog so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Now I'm going to fold this ribbon in half. And we're going to adhere it to the back of our little label at a little bit of an angle. So yeah, someone like that. That looks pretty good. You can trim a little bit more if you want to. Whoops. Pulled away before I was done cutting. Okay. We're going to pop this up with some dimensionals. I'm going to put the Merry Christmas right here, kind of centered right on that glimmer paper. And then let's grab our dove. We'll do 3, just to give it 3 points of contact. And just overlap a hair. And we'll grab some of our, I'm going to use the white ones since this is pretty dark. We'll do a little white flower there and maybe a small white flower up there. And that is it. Isn't that sweet? So pretty. I will post measurements on my blog, and then I'll also have a full list of supplies. But I pretty much used everything that was in the suite except the embossing folder. And it's just beautiful. If you love blues, this is great for any occasion. This paper is great for any occasion. So thanks so much for stopping by. Just remember, when you place an order of $50 or more with me, you'll get a kit of our card class projects for the month. We're going to be focusing on fall cards this month and getting ready to put those together a little later today, and we'll be all set. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.